Hey everyone! Today we will answer another quick quiz. In this quiz, we will have to solve 15 questions. Ready? Let's start now. According to the legend, where did King Minos hide the Minotaur in his palace? The options are number 1 in the dungeon, number 2 in the labyrinth, number 3 in the cellar. The answer is in the labyrinth. What is the hometown of Flintstones? The options are number 1, Fraggle Rock, number 2, Bedrock, number 3, Rubble Town. The answer is Bedrock. Who is known as the father of geometry? The options are number 1, Paracelsus, number 2, Panini, number 3, Euclid. Subscribe. The answer is Euclid. Who wrote The Lord of the Flies? The options are number 1, William Golding, number 2, J.D. Salinger, number 3, D.H. Lawrence. The answer is William Golding. Which alphabet is composed of just dots? The options are number 1, Semaphore, number 2, Morse, number 3, Braille. The answer is Braille. Which letter is top left on the keyboard? The options are number 1, A, number 2, Z, number 3, Q. The answer is Q. A sheep is a... The options are number 1, carnivore, number 2, herbivore, number 3, omnivore. The answer is herbivore. By what name is East Pakistan now known? The options are number 1, Sri Lanka, number 2, Bangladesh, number 3, Bhutan. like? The answer is Bangladesh. What type of animal is a Samoyed? The options are number 1, a cat, number 2, a dog, number 3, a horse. The answer is a dog. Who was the famous tutor of Alexander the Great? The options are number 1, Socrates, number 2, Plato, number 3, Aristotle. The answer is Aristotle. How many sides does a dodecahedron have? The options are number 1, 11, number 2, 12, number 3, 13. The answer is 12. Where were the Olympic Games of 1900 held? The options are number 1, London, number 2, Paris, number 3, Athens. The answer is Paris. The residual pulp of what is called bagasse? The options are number 1, cocoa, number 2, sugarcane, number 3, tobacco. Subscribe. The answer is sugarcane. Who was shot in Ford's Theatre, Washington, D.C. while watching the play Our American Cousin? The options are number 1, John F. Kennedy, number 2, William McKinley, number 3, Abraham Lincoln. The answer is Abraham Lincoln. Who was called the world's king? The options are number 1, Johann Strauss Jr., number 2, Antonin Dvorak, number 3, Michael Jackson. The answer is Johann Strauss Jr. Hey! If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.